Hey guys, I know I haven't been filming for a long time, but that's because like I had exams going on and everything, so I just didn't film for like a whole month. Today's video is a very exciting one. It's going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing, and this is like really exciting because there's a palette in here that I really wanted, but I didn't like. I wanted to buy it from her website, but shipping was like $31, which is more than the palette. So I just like, when I heard that it was in the box, I got really excited. But let me open it. And that's cute. Oh, great. And then the card. Well, I know everything that's already in it because, you know, I follow their social media and they're always posting about it. This is the card and it's really cute. And like, I love, okay, I don't have autofocus, but the people on here are very cute. So, hello. I know you just saw me jump from no makeup to the end result, but the thing is like, I just wanted to tell you about BoxyCharm. It is a $21 USD subscription box for makeup where you get 4 to 5, or in this case 6 full-size items. And again, it's $21 plus tax, and for me shipping was $5, which is so good. But as you can see, like, I have like no makeup on my face, and that's because I'm going to be doing like a try on kind of thing. I'm going to be talking about something that is not makeup related. I'm not going to say the brand, but this is the very famous Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Smells just not my favorite. I don't know. And I don't know what's in here, but I need to read the ingredients carefully because I don't know if my skin is going to be too sensitive. Jumping into the palette. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina de Caribe palette. I know I probably butchered that. I'm not a Spanish speaker if you couldn't tell, but I love this palette. It's really cute. So I'm sorry, I look so dumb, but this is how it looks. It has 8 shadows in it. I'm gonna like do my eyes and then I'll insert like a swatch video. So I'm just gonna start with a Sephora Pro Taper Crease Brush number 19, and I'm going to be taking the shade Cocotaxi, which is that one right there. I'm gonna go into Tropical. I'm also gonna be putting that in my crease a little bit lower, but still in the crease. That's a nice shade. And now I'm just gonna go back with Cocotaxi, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges. There's not a lot of fallout in Cocotaxi, but there's a lot more in Tropical, but I think that's because of the brush that I use. But I don't really care for fallout as long as the shadows are good. I am totally fine with that. I was out of focus the whole time. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's just a packing brush. And I'm gonna take Guantanamera. I'm gonna pack that on the lid. Very pigmented shade as well. Now I'm just gonna blend that back out with Tropical. I'm gonna take the shade Cafecito. I'm just gonna be putting that on like my outer corners with the same e.l.f. brush. That is so pigmented. But I'm just gonna clean that up. So I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and put that on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to create, like, hopefully it looks good, a wing that goes from inner to outer and swoops back down. I'm going to be using a Real Techniques fine liner brush, and I don't know if I'm going to get a lot of camera shots of me doing it because it is very difficult. So I'm going to be like that the whole time. Okay, so that took a while. I'm gonna take El Malecon, Celia, which is this one. Just going to tightline my lashes with the next thing in the box, which is Jonte Bleu eyeliner pencil in 912 charcoal. Yeah, I don't like pencil liners for that reason. Great, now I gotta clean that up because like I suck at tightlining, so I always just close my eyes. And the next thing in the box, these lashes are the Battington Monroe 3D silk lashes, so they're made like 100% silk, like, okay. And I don't think there's a left eye, right eye. So I put the eyelashes on, but the next thing in the box is these. It's a 3-brush set from the brand Luxie. So the 3 brushes, this one is Precision Foundation brush, and it's kind of tapered, and I like it. And the barrel is a little pinched, like right there, like you see, like that's flatter, that's thinner. And then we have this one, which is a dual fiber powder, and honestly I don't think I'd use it for powder. I'd use this for like primer or something like that. And then this one is the tapered highlighter, and this one is more round, so I think contouring, setting under the eyes, I feel like that'd be good for that. So I'm just gonna start off by using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and this is the hydrating one, and I'm going to be using the dual fiber brush. One pump of Born This Way foundation, and this one is by Too Faced, and it's in the shade Nude, and I'm gonna mix that with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade Nude Beige, so 125. I'm gonna take the Precision Foundation brush to put the rest of this on. Now I'm gonna take that highlighting brush. I'm gonna just take some powder and set my under eyes. Using that same brush, I'm just gonna take the contour side of that and kind of bronze up my face a little bit. I'm just gonna take this Anastasia double-ended brush that comes with like their palettes and stuff. So I'm just gonna take that, and I'm gonna take Cocotaxi and run that under. Now taking the Sigma brush, I'm gonna take Varadero, which is a blue, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line and then connect it with the whole thing. The thing is like I can't even believe how nice these shadows are. They're so good. I'm gonna take a different Anastasia double-ended brush, and I'm gonna take the shade La Costa. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corner and my face and my nose. Okay, so my camera actually cut off because it ran out of battery. Sorry, I know I keep adjusting it, but I highlighted my nose and my eyebrow bone, eyebrow bone with La Costa, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks with it as well. I want the camera to see and pick it up, but I want to see it myself too. I don't know if anything happened. I can't see. Oh, that is so pretty as a highlight. I don't know if it's like too dark for me. it's a little bit too dark for me. Like, you can see it like right there. Oh well, that's a really nice highlight. The last thing in the box is this Girlactik lipstick in the shade Playful, and this is a really nice color. Anyways, I've always wanted to try something from Girlactik, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. I'm scared it's gonna be like really drying, so I put like lip balm. It reminds me of Allison from ABH. Like, it reminds me a lot of Allison. Still a very bad application because this thing is really watery, but this is the end look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I haven't posted a lot. Hello. So it is me on my phone because my camera's died and I don't want to wait for it to charge, because honestly I don't have time for that. I need to go out to dinner. So my overall review of the stuff is that I love the Alamar palette. I'm going to do a swatch. I'm going to do a swatch on my phone, so the quality might not be the best like it is right now. But the eyelashes were not my favorite. They are so expensive. I'd rather, like, I already thought the eyelashes I use are expensive. Like, I use like Huda Beauty lashes. Those things are like $30. The band is not flexible, and then just the style of lash isn't my favorite. The Girlactik lipstick is pretty. I'm gonna see how it wears throughout the day, and I'll like leave everything in the description of how this wears because I am going out to dinner. But the formula is super liquidy, so it is really hard for me to apply everything. The eyeliner was okay. I mean, it's not my favorite because it's charcoal, it's not black, and I usually just use black eyeliner. The brushes were also very good. I just liked everything in the box. The only thing is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, because I still gotta check the ingredients for that, and then the eyelashes, which was okay. I mean, the eyeliner I'll use occasionally. Maybe I'll even use them for my eyebrows when I'm doing like, you know, a tutorial where I need like gray eyebrows. But I really like this look. It matches my hair because, you know, the bangs part and this part, it literally oh, and then the lip matches the shirt. You see, I'm just going to go out to dinner looking like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next week, hopefully. Bye.